Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to delete all viruses on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. The first step is to run the Windows Security Scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Open the Windows Security app. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Select Scan options in the right pane. Select Full Scan. Scroll down and click on Scan Now. The scan may need hours to run. The second step is to delete all cache on the system. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on the Disk Cleanup app to open it. Select all files by checking the boxes associated with them. Make sure to check each and every one of the checkboxes. You might have to scroll a little. Click on OK. Select Delete Files. The disk cleanup process will start. This will need a while for completion. This will clean all of your system's cache. Was this helpful? If yes, then please comment and let us know. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.